Hello everyone, welcome to my video channel. My name is Vikas Nira, and today we'll begin our AWS tutorials. You'll learn about AWS as I explain what it is fundamentally. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is like our own digital ocean, but it's the most powerful one out there. AWS is a web service that offers many features. We'll discuss this because when it comes to cloud computing, no one matches AWS. We'll learn about it in this video because I've already made many videos related to dev talks on my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do so. In this video, I'll show you how to create an AWS free trial account. AWS offers a 12-month free trial if you're just starting to learn. This is great for you as you can take advantage of the free trial and use their cloud services. I'll keep posting videos related to AWS here. I've added a menu in the category section, so you can easily find all AWS related posts. Okay, so first let's look at this AWS free trial and how you can set it up. I've included all the screenshots and details here. If you are having trouble viewing any video, you can follow along with this blog post. First, create an account by clicking on this URL or link. When you click on this link, the free trial page will appear. What you need to do here is click on Create Account. After clicking on Create Account, you'll see something like this. I've shown all the steps here through screenshots. You'll find a link to my website or this blog in the description. Go there and see the details. Now it's asking for an email address, so enter your email address. Now enter the email address for my website. It's also asking for a password, so enter that as well. I'll enter mine now. After that, it's asking for an AWS account name. I'll enter Vikas Nira here. Don't use spaces and then click Continue. Okay, this email address is already in use, so I'll enter a different one. After continuing, you need to click here on Personal. If you have a business, then select Business instead. After selecting Personal, here's what I've entered. I'll select my name Vikas Nira. For the country, select India. Enter your phone number, address, city, state, and postal code. After that, there's a section for their terms and conditions. You need to check the Agree box and click Continue. After clicking Continue, you'll need to enter your credit or debit card number and its expiry date. Next, it's asking for your PAN number. If you have it, you should enter it here. This will help your account get approved more quickly. Otherwise, approval might take longer. So if you enter your PAN number, your account will likely get approved faster. Okay, since I already have an account, I'm creating a new one to show you the process. I'm showing you the further steps through screenshots. After entering all the details, a small charge of 2 rupees will be made to verify your payment method. See this? You'll see a 2 rupees charge as a verification fee. After this 2 rupees payment is processed, you'll be asked for phone verification. You'll need to enter your number. Then an OTP will be sent to you. Enter it and click Continue. After that, you'll see 3 plans: Basic, Developer, and Business. If you want the free trial, select the Basic plan and then click Continue. After a short while, usually just a moment or two, or at most a few hours, your account will be approved. Once approved, you can start using the free trial services of AWS. Let me show you my account that's already created. We'll discuss it more in the next video. In this tutorial series, we'll cover everything about servers, including how to create your own server. You'll learn step by step because if you have a good understanding of AWS, you can do whatever you want. This knowledge is crucial for cloud computing. The future of cloud computing is very promising, so you should definitely learn this. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do so. There will be many more videos related to AWS, so keep watching them. Thank you for watching this video.